Hello, I'm Rob with a B, and this is 101 Ways to Make Fire.
Rob with a B.
To demonstrate the hand drill, I needed to find an expert in the technique by going back in time to the Stone Age. First, I made a clone of myself who turned out to be a bit bolshy. I convinced him to get into my time machine and sent him back in time, yielding caveman Zob, and then snuck him upstairs, all without attracting the attention of my lady friend Roberta. He cranked out an ember in record time and transferred it to a piece of rhino dung, which I'm going to use to start the fire. Good job. Here, have some chocolate. There's a good boy. So now we're just going to take the ember downstairs and get the fire going for our bride. You get back in the shower and be very, very quiet. I'm just going to go and make the fire now. And you should probably not go into the spare bathroom for a little while. It was, yeah. Okay, just give me 5 minutes and I'll have the fire going. Fire! And don't forget to clean the bride grid while you're out there. So I'm just going to make up my tinder bundle on the ground in the traditional African way. I hope Zob's okay up there. And make up a little rondole roof of tinder.
Oh, no, man, there's no mayonnaise. Honey, I'm just going to the spa quickly to fetch mayonnaise.
Okay, and then we just drop our ember in there and blow. And we have fire.
Boonga, 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 boonga.
Better be quick. Okay, Zob, time to go. Come on, come on. Okay, the fun's over. You need to get back in your box. In there. No, you can't stay here. Roberta's going to be getting back soon. Hang on. Do you have a thing for my lady friend? This calls for some extreme action. There it is. Time for you to go home. Get in your box. I have chocolates. Hey dude, what's up? No problem. Cool, I'll pick up 2 6-packs of Vintuk for you. And some sled suppies for Charlize. Okay, cool. I'll see you all soon. Cheers, eh? If you like this video, feel free to check out some of my others below, and there's a subscribe button there as well.